A heavy police presence greeted about 20 staff members who gathered to hold a peaceful demonstration outside the office of the acting CEO, Dr. Peter Oosthuizen. Employees of the RCC claimed that they had been patient for long enough and had been informed that the shortfalls in their salaries following the introduction of a new payroll system, Build Smart from South Africa, the services for which were not put on tender, would be rectified today. Police said that they arrived in large numbers in anticipation of what was described as a hostage situation, in which workers had allegedly taken their boss hostage over shortfalls in their salaries at the end of March.
Now, when this new system was implemented, end of the month, most of us, our salaries were not correct. Some of them are cut half, some have lost 6%, 10%, 20%, up to 50%. Now, the RCC management have informed us by circular that on the 6th of April, all the money that were not paid will be paid to us.
Even our employment contract was changed on the payslip from permanent to temporary. And all these things have taken place without the permission or unlawfully, because you cannot change somebody like me. I've been working here almost for 18 years.
The workers claimed that they were so terrified by the heavy police presence that some of them screamed when they saw the police guns, fearing that they could get shot accidentally. They were given the runaround with various proposals coming through to them from management, who were trying their utmost to appease the workers and make them return to their posts, but to no avail.
There's somebody busy working on your money. It's just a question that there's a team that those people that are referred to, they can go up, they see what's happening, they can ask all the questions, they come back, verify, and then we'll bring the acting CEO to you, and we'll talk to you. No, I don't want, if you say...
Sorry, officer, with due respect.
No, you have the right to say something. That's why I said...
With due respect, officer.
Yes.
We are not going to talk to Hilda. She's not an employee of RCC. We are only, this one is exclusive for RCC employees.
Communications consultant Hilda Namunjebo tried to discourage media from covering the unrest at the RCC and even threatened to have journalists removed by the police. The workers refused to hear any statement she had to make relating to their plight, saying that they did not understand the role she plays within the organization because the company has its own marketing department.
Okay, Hilda Basson was employed as a PR by the management of RCC, but in a dubious way, because why I'm saying that is that I have never seen an advertisement of a PR being advertised for the company.
Police acted as mediators between the disgruntled employees and the management of the RCC and had to intervene to ensure that the communication between management and the employees was conducted in an amicable manner. The workers, who lamented on the inconvenience and disruptions to their lives these shortfalls have caused, were dissatisfied with the lack of communication from the acting CEO and waited almost 5 hours to hear their fate.
I would like to apologize for what transpired with your salaries, which resulted in this unhappiness which we witnessed here this morning.